So here we are, a few bits of equipment you'll need when you're getting ready for a bit of practice. Get your inks and your cups, a nice 5B pencil so we can draw the scalp. Let's go. Okay, drawing a 3D scalp. So with the 3D scalp, this will give you a really good way to practice doing the hairline and the side profile. Obviously, to draw this, whilst you're drawing it, if you're copying what I'm doing, then just put it on pause whilst you catch up, because we've done it in high speed. Okay, I'm just kind of wiping it off with a wet wipe there, and sketching in the hairline with an eyeliner pencil. Okay, first of all, we're going to be using a light shade, a medium shade and a dark shade, my bishop wand and a 3RL needle. Okay, so the first session I'll be using a light shade. You can just mix this up yourself, and the impressions we're putting on will be at a kind of low density, so we want them spaced apart quite a bit. When I'm using the skins, I tend to dab with a dry cloth, and then after it's dry, I'll then wipe it off with the wet wipe. Moving on to the second session, eyeliner, just edge out where the hairline is going to filter out at the front. This will give us that soft finish, and we're going to work behind that on the second session. And the impressions are going to get tighter together, and we're just going to overlay all the way through. It doesn't matter if you hit any of the lighter work that you've done before, just stay away from that hairline. As you see, I just give it a little dab onto the dry tissue, which just enables the first bit of ink to flow out. This makes it a bit easier. Okay, so we're just dabbing off. Once it's dry, use your wet wipe, go all the way over. You can see we're creating a broken hairline there now. First and second session working together. Now on the third session, with a darker pigment again, we're just looking to get in between what we've done before, and we're going to stay behind the hairline. Okay, this area here, you don't want to go there. Just mark it out if you need to. And we're just going to work everywhere behind, just getting in between. We're not going to overlay on anything on this time. Okay, and by working in this way, the front will become lighter than the rest of it behind. This will give you that really soft natural finish. The same into the edges, and the same into the side where it fades out into the natural hair. Okay, you just dab that off, let it dry. You want to get yourself your wet cloth. Once we take that down, then we can see the three different shades working together and the lighter hairline. I hope you enjoyed it. That's how we create a faded hairline. Obviously your artistic ability will come into play, and you can use this technique for all types of different creations on hairlines and fades. I've been Marc Allen. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you again next time.